Most people think in order to be fit, you have to have an alarm set for rise and grind at 4 a.m. only to wake up at 4:01 with regret and a deep desire to delete your existence.
We've been told that if we aren't sprinting until we see our ancestors or living off steamed chicken and sadness, we aren't doing it right.
Now let's be real though. That approach works for 0.01% of the population. For the rest of us, running until our kidneys explode is not a sustainable Tuesday.
The reality? Getting fit is available to almost everyone through methods that are actually reasonable, manageable, maybe even, dare I say, enjoyable?
Wait, are you telling me that I don't need to be like Tom Cruise prepping for a Mission Impossible stunt and jumping off a mountain? Exactly. The habit stacking secret. How do we make it stick? You attach the new habit, like fitness, to an old habit, like hygiene. So, you brush your teeth every morning. So the rule is, after you leave the washroom, you do 10 push-ups.
Brushing is the first domino. No willpower needed, just the smooth brain sequence of, I do this, then I do that.
Pro tip here, reduce the friction. If you're tired of going to the gym when it's super packed with people recording the glutes for social media, then go in the morning when it's less packed. If you hate the cold, then what you can do is maybe put your gym clothes in the dryer and heat them up before you get going.
Grease the hinges. Make success the path of least resistance, like James Bond always having a gadget ready for the right moment.
The Rocky montage trap. Now let's get over the biggest mistake. The all or nothing rocket ship. Inspired by a 30-second training montage clip with cool 80s music, and then you go from sedentary to hitting the gym 7 days a week. You're eating broccoli and buying expensive gym clothes that's like a high-performance spider suit. You go pedal to the metal, nose to hose, fork to pork.
And then you burn out in 10 days because you tried to take a sharp left turn in your lifestyle, but your brain is like the Terminator. It only follows one program, and you just crashed it.
It's not just about intensity. It's about consistency. One beast mode training session won't change your physique, but 50 okay workouts definitely will. Motivation can help, but systems are king.
Motivation shows up when you see Henry Cavill without a shirt as Superman, or realize you look like the before photo in a Captain America transformation, but motivation only works 20% of the time.
Now here's a blueprint. Do 30-minute workouts Monday to Friday, and your body will feel worked and you won't be left crying in the locker room.
By keeping the session short, the mental hurdle is low. It's a lot harder to skip a 30-minute date with a dumbbell than a 90-minute torture session that feels like an audition for the Expendables.
Now think about Spider-Man. When he first got his powers, he didn't go in and fight Thanos right away. He started by swinging between small buildings.
Focus on one manageable habit at a time. Spread the workout so you don't end up with blue balls of the soul.
We should edit that out. Actually, wait, it's science. Now, liquid gold or protein math.
To rebuild your body, you need protein. Roughly 1 gram per pound of body weight.
Now, for some of us, that feels like sacrificing 4 chickens a day to be a Greek god.
The hack? Drink your protein. You can get 90 grams of protein purely from liquids. A double scoop whey shake after the gym, and a pre-made protein drink in the afternoon. The rest comes from normal food.
Now, if you miss your protein count for 1 day, don't spiral. Even the Hulk has his off days where he's Bruce Banner just eating a salad. Now, the final reveal. Now stop obsessing about the scale or the mirror every morning. Enjoy the process.
If you focus on the systems, the 30-minute move, the protein shake, the habit stack, the results will eventually take care of themselves.
So get to the door and work your core, even if it feels like a chore. And if you're feeling unsure, remember what it's for. You've come so far, don't hit the floor. Watch some Marvel movies, heroes you adore. Your arms got big, they're hard to ignore. Now, which habit stack are you starting tomorrow? Is it the post-coffee push-up or the pre-shower plank? Let me know in the comments.